Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you in case you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an error E40. So what is this error and can we get rid of it? So first of all, the error is regarding some kind of an electronic fault in the machine. And so unfortunately these electronic faults, they are usually, there's nothing you can really do about them without calling a technician to replace a control unit or something like that. However, before you despair and call your technician and spend a bunch of money for him to come out, there's one thing whenever you get any kind of electronic fault like this that you can always try, which is just like a computer that just bugs the modern day computers. These things have computers in them that can throw up errors for random reasons. Always try to do a hard restart on the machine before calling a technician. So a hard restart, pretty simple, is just turn it off, unplug it from the wall, or if it's hardwired into the wall, just turn it off at the breaker. Make sure there's no power to it at all. Leave it off for a full minute, and then turn it back on. And see if that doesn't clear out the error, and hopefully it won't come back. And like I said, if it does, you're probably going to need to have somebody come out and look at it. But anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.